In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the mouse speed, scroll tick delay, and double click delay in AirTouch, and how each setting affects navigation. Open File, then Settings. Here you'll find the mouse speed slider, scroll speed setting, and the double click delay under all the gesture keybinds. Lower mouse speeds require larger hand movements to move the cursor across the screen. Increasing the mouse speed allows you to reach the edges of the screen more quickly with less hand movement. Ensure you have a keybind set for mouse wheel scroll. Go to File and Setting. I will then assign mouse wheel scroll to thumb left. Make sure you click Save and Close. The scroll tick setting controls how quickly the page scrolls. A higher delay results in slower scrolling, while a lower delay makes scrolling faster. As you can see, when I move my hand up while doing left thumb, I scroll up. Finally, the double-click delay sets the time window you have to tap twice for a double-click to register. Setting this to 0 makes double-clicking almost impossible. Adjust these settings to find the speed that's most comfortable for your workspace and workflow.